Hey, my name is Heath May, and I was a 3D artist and animator for this project. My contribution was to acquire the monkey, the low-poly monkey, to operate on any iOS device and animate it to do various monkey things like scratching its bum and eating a banana. If I had more time on this project, preferably a couple more weeks, I would have made the monkey climb up a tree and swing around. But because looping that would have been very time consuming and taxing for the machine, we ended up having to cut that part of the animation. However, the whole monkey feel is still preserved. On top of that, I helped Carson the programmer take the native Blender file from .gulb to a USDZ, which is not natively supported in Blender, which was a very interesting experience utilizing Reality Converter into Reality Composer. Carson was able to swap it around, get it all working well, and play the animation with the code. So it was very fantastic.
My name is Seth Carmody, and I was one of the helpers in terms of the UX and UI design of the menus. I worked with Carson in creating these menus. One thing I would have done if I had more time was I would have tried to either create or have help creating more assets for the UI in terms of actual pictures. The other thing I would have done is cleaned up the UI a little bit more to look more professional using less Swift UI basics. But with the UI that we have, I do feel that it is able to accurately work without any issues for the user.
Hi, my name is Jacob Palin. My contribution was to make the string of text show up at the top of the screen and the user input field to compare the string to what the user types in and show up either green or red depending on whether it's correct. If I had more time, I would have liked to make more dynamic code to allow for more animals to be shown in the future.
Logan Johnson. I worked on the UI portion of the app and assisted with getting AR animations working properly when displayed on the screen. Some major struggles were getting the AR animation to work properly on the app itself, and the UI portion was incredibly tedious to figure out and debug and get working properly over time.
My name is Carson McMahon, and for the typing AR application, my responsibilities included getting the AR functionality to work, as well as compiling everybody else's work into one project. So for the AR, what we wanted the user to be capable of doing is tapping on the screen and placing an object on a plane. We also wanted to limit that object to only one instance. Compiling everybody's stuff together into one project was pretty simple with Jacob's typing functionality as well as Seth and Logan's menu system that they made up. If I had more time with this project, I would definitely try to incorporate another animal for the user to work with.